Good morning, sir. I'm Jake Martin De Silverio from BS Criminology, second year, Delta. My topic for today is livor mortis. So, what is livor mortis? Livor mortis is also known as post-mortem lividity or hypothesis. It is the second stage of death following pallor mortis or paleness of death. It is the settling of blood in the lower dependent parts of the body after death, causing the purplish red discoloration of the skin. This is the example. So, how it happens? When the heart stops beating, blood circulation ceases. Gravity pulls the blood downward, causing the blood to pool in the areas of the body that are facing down. This pooling of blood leads to discoloration, also known as livor mortis. So, timeline of livor mortis. Livor mortis begins within 20 minutes or 30 minutes after death, but it is usually not visible until 2 hours. The size of the patches increases in the next 3 or 6 hours. The fixation begins during this time frame, making the patch permanent.